GASSED on track 2025. Queuing up. Parking. Ken Block's Mark McCann's rally car. Formula 1 cars. Measuring drift entry speeds. I didn't do a good job.
Oh my lord, check it out.
105 miles per hour entry here. Highest this day was 143 miles per hour. Turbo E36. Drift wagon. I fell over. First track session in the
How was the
MC2R.
first session?
Right, bloody nerve-wracking. How's it going?
Second session.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Third session, where Matt was on track with Matt Armstrong and Mark McCann.
I got a helmet on. Yes.
Have fun!
Proud moment.